morning, this is smartwatchspecifications.com, the premier site for smartwatch specs, news and reviews. Okay, we are on another video review for the C2 Plus smartwatch. Okay, the last video we're done with installing with the support app for this one, the Yoho Sports app. Okay, if you are new in installing the support app, the Yoho Sports app, okay, so check out our video so you will be guided on the step-by-step process in installing the support app. Okay, the support app installation video review is on the Android platform. Okay, so we're done with it. So this time we're going to check the UI of the support app, particularly the watch faces available for the C2 Plus smartwatch. So let's check. Let's see. Okay, can we change the watch face? So let's turn on the Bluetooth here. Okay, and let's run the app. Okay, let me adjust the brightness here. Okay, so we have here the smartwatch. As you can see, we have several watch faces. So there's an ad here. Let's check. Okay, so let's go to our band display settings here. So we're done. Are we connected? Let's see. Okay, so we are bound here. Let's go to our band display settings here. Okay, it's not supported by watch face. Okay, so maybe just a few issues. That's it. Okay, so it takes time to load. So we have here several watch faces. Okay, seems like we also have a custom watch face here also. Okay, so let's try and install our watch face for our C2 Plus wearable. Okay, so on the settings here, you will see the band display settings. Tap on it, and there are two categories here for the wearable. So we have the online band display and the custom watch face. So let's check here on the online band display. Okay, let's pick. Okay, so let's see this one. I love dogs, so let's pick the dog. Okay, so it pops up. It is somewhat similar. The UI here, as you can see, is somewhat similar to the Fit Pro app. Okay, so then tap sync watch face. We'll see if it will be automatically loaded to our smartwatch. And as you can see here, it is being loaded to our wearable. It is syncing. Okay, the smartwatch started, and let's see, and that's it. Okay, we successfully loaded a custom watch face for our C2 Plus wearable. Okay, nice. So let's check another one. Let's see. Let's pick this one, a much higher resolution graphics. Okay, let's go for the flowers here, and let's see if how will the image appear on our smartwatch. Sync. Okay, syncing. Let's see. And so far it is fast. No issues with the downloading of the free watch faces for our C2 Plus. Okay, again, restarted. And that's it. Okay, let's have a closer look. for our watch face. Okay, again. The issues with the C2 Plus is the touch button key here is okay, not that responsive compared to other wearable. Okay, the button here is also not working. I hope they should have at least added a physical button there. Okay, as you can see the issue. So I don't recommend you to buy this. Okay, it's not really that good. Although it's very affordable. Okay, the M4 Plus I think is much better compared to this. There's an issue here on the touch button key. Okay. Okay, so let's check. Okay, later on. Okay, or maybe I'm just going to restart this. Okay, so we have here the custom watch face. Okay, so let's check and try to install our custom watch face. Just tap on the change background, go to your camera or the album, and let's see if we can get some watch faces or just graphics in our images here, in our picture. Okay, so it shuts down. Okay, so we have some major issues with the app right now. It is started, as you can see. We'll see band display settings, custom, change background, album, gallery. Tap on the image here. Okay, okay, so there are issues with the custom watch face here. Okay, let's close this, add. Okay, let's go to band display settings, custom, change background, album. Let's see if it's not going to work. Okay, so I don't recommend this wearable. Okay, let's pick a match. Okay, as you can see here, Yoho Sports keeps stopping. Okay, so just cancel it and set. Okay, so far we are not successful with the uh, installation of custom watch face for the Yoho Sports app. Okay, for our C2. Okay, so there are issues with the C2. I think the problem earlier, as you can see, the smartwatch is not working earlier. It seems like it's lagging. Maybe it is due to the Yoho Sports app. Now that we are disconnected, as you can see here, it's very easy to access or navigate on the UI of the C2 Plus. So I think the issues here is more on the app. Okay, when we are connected to the Yoho Sports app, we are having some problems accessing our wearable. Okay, so let's try and see if it's we have the correct conclusion. Beginning to hit these ads. Okay. Let's see if we will be connected. Okay, we are bound again. Okay, let's go to the watch face. Maybe just some hiccups due to low memory. Okay, so it's not supported again. Okay, it's bound. Again, reconnect. Okay, we are bound. Okay, we have here the watch face again. Let's try another one. Let's sync. Okay, we have successfully loaded it. Change background, album here, gallery. Okay, recent, check. Okay, the same issue. Okay, so seems like we don't have any issues with the C2 Plus. I thought there's an issue with the touch button key here, and now the main problem I think is with the support app. Okay, so we are having some problems, especially on the custom watch face. Okay, see, Yoho Sports keeps stopping. Okay, so there's really an issue with the custom watch face for the C2 Plus smartwatch. Okay, now you know. Okay, so if you think it's not, you love custom watch faces and you don't like these issues, okay, you cannot decide whether if you want to buy the C2 Plus wearable or not. Okay, but if you think it's just a minor issues, okay, so go for the C2 Plus. Okay, see, as you can see, we have some blackout, okay, issues with the support app. Okay, so far seems like we don't have issues with the C2 Plus. As I have stated earlier, the problem is more on the support app. So when it is connected to the support app, we encounter some issues with the C2 Plus. It lags, it hangs, okay, it's hard to navigate, so slow. And I think it is due to the support app. Okay, so that's it for our installation tutorial with a watch face and some issues that we have encountered with the C2 Plus wearable. If you have any questions regarding the smartwatch, please drop a comment below and we'll try to answer your queries. Goodbye.